Yo, what's up, Sauce Squad? It's your boy Victor, and we're back with another mukbang. Today we have the best fried chicken in Dallas, Mike's Chicken. Check this out, guys. I got tenders, and then I got 2 pieces of actual fried chicken, and then I got their buffalo sauce. This buffalo sauce is the best. So with the chicken strips, I also got creamy corn, and then some green beans. Look at this. Check this out. So this place is Vietnamese owned. It's a very good fried chicken place. The ratings are off the charts. I'll link it down below, but this is my favorite spot. And their buffalo sauce is so good. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. Let's get started. Let's start off with the chicken tender. Guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. The buffalo. All right, guys. Oh my goodness. So juicy too. Comes with a little biscuit. Let's try this out. I think there's like honey on top too. I like it with the buffalo. So good. This is the best. They have other sides too, but I didn't want to, I kind of wanted to eat light. The corn. I actually got a 3-piece, but they gave me a 4-piece tender. And then my sides are right here. I love their green beans. So good. Look at this creamy corn. Right now in Dallas, it's absolutely freaking hot. It's December, and today was 77 degrees. All right, let's try this piece of chicken out. Look how good that looks. I got spicy, but their spice, I mean, it's not very spicy, but let's drench it in the buffalo. Look at this, y'all. Oh. This is the thigh. So good. I had the fan on. I forgot to turn it off. Let me turn it off real quick. Alright, let's get some more of this. This is absolutely amazing. Best, I'm not lying to you guys, best fried chicken in Dallas, for real. The roll is good too. They have mac and cheese, but you have to buy it separate because it comes in like a foil thing. But I didn't want to eat that whole thing alone. Like, you can't just get it as a normal little side. Best sauce. I'm telling y'all. Best fried chicken and best buffalo sauce I've ever had. Oh, this is my favorite. Guys, what did you guys eat today? This is my... So I ate breakfast at like 9 a.m. and then I didn't eat again until now, which is like 6 p.m. Comment down below what you ate today or what you're eating right now watching. And I hope you guys are eating something while you're watching this, because I know this would make me hungry. Gotta clean the bones, remember. I know I had some comments about trying, I think, food from Iraq or Afghanistan, but I still haven't gotten around to like finding a good place yet. So I'm sorry about that. All right, let's get another tender. Ooh. And the sauce. All this costs about 18 bucks. So it's definitely like not cheap, but it's not like expensive. Like the fried chicken at Popeyes is cheaper than this, but the quality of this is way better than Popeyes. Like Jollibee is so expensive. Especially for fried chicken. Fried chickens should not be that expensive. Let's get another tender. Oh, the breading on this one. Yeah, so their buffalo is a little spicy. It's so good. They do such a good job here. And they're Vietnamese owned. I know I mentioned that before, but I always got to support my my Vietnamese brothers and sisters. I just finished the green beans. All right, this is the true test. The chicken breast. Oh man. All right, let's get a good bite here. Y'all see that? Here, I'll show y'all up close. With that buffalo sauce all on it. Let's get it. It's so juicy. I actually think this is the thigh. Or there's like, yeah, I think this is a thigh. I'm not sure. You gotta get every bit. I like eating the little scraps too. Let me finish the cream corn. All right, one tender left, you guys. The best one for last. Look at this. You gotta douse it in the sauce. I'm telling y'all, the chicken itself is already so good. But dipping it, oh my goodness. It makes it so much better. Oh. So happy. You guys see I scarfed that down. Absolutely destroyed it. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for the support, getting me, we're almost at 650, we'll be at 700 soon. But that'll wrap it up for this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Saucy out. Peace.